Hello everyone, today we're at a restaurant called Burak and it just recently opened and we are going to be trying out some of their very delicious foods. Let's start off with the juice. Wow. Anyway, it was very delicious. It's like apple is like one of my favorite juices, so it's very expected. But now let's get on to the real foods. So let's do the French fries. No. Let's do multiple. Yeah. Ooh. This is a lot. Oh. I guess that's what you asked for. Let me see if it actually tastes good. It's delicious, but this is getting out of hand now.
You want to try the French fries and nuggets? Tastes like a McDonald's or is it different? Is it like more organic or no? There's also chicken nuggets. You want to try chicken nuggets? French fries is good?
Yeah, it's definitely good. This is steak. Ooh, delicious. Okay. Pretty decent. What type of meat is this?
Probably beef.
I'm not sure.
It's a beef. Combination with lamb maybe. So which one is your favorite? Which one do you like the most? Your burgers, French fries, chicken nuggets, pizza, or this meat food?
The French fries, you already know that, and apple juice. Like, they're the best.
So which
Right?
one is your most favorite?
This one.
Apple juice?
You don't need any food to come with it. You can just go by itself.